Have just done a clean mode on my Siemens oven HB75AB550B Now. Have an error code E106 and the lock symbol is still on the display. I have switched off at socket left for 60 seconds, error code and lock symbol remain. Have removed and replaced door, while off at socket, when power switched on, error code and lock symbol remain. Help.
Can you guesstimate how old your Siemens is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Think it's about 6 years old, near HB75AB550B/01FD89080036. That's all the info on the label on the side of the door.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
What else can I try?
E106 door not locked 1. Locking hook block check bar and bar receiver for blockage 2. Bad plug and socket connection, contact corroded, loose, locking motor, check plug and socket connection and line 3. Motor winding interrupted, replace locking motor 4. Failure in wiring, check wiring according to circuit diagram, correct 5. Micro switch failure position, correct position of micro switches on holding frame 6. Micro switch does not switch, replace micro switch, that's the service manual information. On the right side of the door recess there should be a locking bar that comes out. This bar may well be stuck, causing the problem. It's the most common cause of the error code. The machine is detecting it's in the wrong position. The machines coming up with the E near you posted are relatively new appliances. If you have proof of purchase, you have at least a 2-year warranty on the appliance with Siemens. Some have 5 years. Check the locking bar, it's shown in the parts diagram to be on the right side. Ensure it's not jammed. Using the star rating chart at the top of your page and rating me at least a 5-star is how I receive payment for helping you. Please, if you do not understand my answer, don't hesitate to ask for more help. Bonus is appreciated.
Thanks. I do not understand. On the right side of the door recess there should be a locking bar that comes out. I have found a little bar on the underside of the top edge of the door recess. Is that it? What do I need to do with it?
Yes, and anything really you can use.
Thanks. The locking bar was positioned pointing to the right. I turned it so it was positioned pointing to the left, switched on the power. The lock symbol had gone, so I set the clock. There were some whirring noises and now the locking bar is set as in the photo attached below, and I now have error code E107 in the display. What now?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.